Using antonyms for precision. Defining contrasting ideas in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into an exciting aspect of advanced English vocabulary: defining contrasting ideas using antonyms. This tool is indispensable when it comes to enhancing clarity and precision in your writing. Let's start. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. They provide an effective way to express contrast and enrich your vocabulary. Think of words like hot and cold, high and low, or happy and sad. They're opposites, and by using them appropriately, you can create clear and precise contrasts in your sentences. Understanding and using antonyms can significantly improve your writing. They can help express contrasts and comparisons, add variety to your text, and enhance your ability to convey complex ideas. With the right set of antonyms, your writing becomes more vibrant and accurate. Now, let's see antonyms in action. Here's an example. John is quite wealthy, but his brother, on the other hand, is rather poor. In this sentence, wealthy and poor are antonyms, setting up a stark contrast between John and his brother. Another example might be, despite the summer heat, she prefers hot drinks while her friend loves cold beverages. Hot and cold help us clearly distinguish between their preferences. When you want to define contrasting ideas, using antonyms can be a great strategy. Start by identifying the key idea you want to contrast. Next, choose an appropriate antonym that can create a clear, contrasting image in the reader's mind. Remember, precision is key. The better your choice of words, the sharper and clearer your contrast will be. That wraps up our discussion on defining contrasting ideas using antonyms. As you can see, antonyms are a powerful tool for enhancing clarity and precision in your writing. Use them wisely to define contrasting ideas, and you'll see a significant improvement in your writing skills. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.